Hello everyone, it's Joy and welcome back to QMIC Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and the market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. This week, the Chinese steel market saw some pretty dramatic ups and downs. While the supply and demand remained steady, micro and industry policies had quite some impact on the market. Let's dive right in. Not long ago, stimulus policy for the property market had everyone feeling optimistic, while that positive sentiment started to cool off this week. Now the market has grew more cautious about whether it could stabilize and how much it might boost steel demand. As a result, steel prices, after hitting a 2-month high last week, saw a notable decline. On Wednesday, the State Council announced that it would continue the crude steel production controls in 2024. This news sparkled expectations of reduced crude steel output, driving futures prices up rapidly and even surpassing last week's high. However, this surge didn't last long. By Thursday, the futures market quickly pulled back. Next, let's examine the supply and demand side. This week, China's apparent demand decreased by more than 400,000 tons, and inventories fell by less than 50,000 tons, with production going up. So we saw a significant decline in apparent demand and a slowing pace of inventory reduction. At the same time, steel production hit a 23-week high. This combination shows weak fundamentals, making it difficult to sustain those price increases. So what's next for the steel market? Looking ahead, China's crude steel output in the first 4 months of 2024 was already lower compared to last year. Therefore, the crude steel production control might not significantly impact the actual supply of crude steel for this year. Additionally, the reduction in crude steel will reduce raw material demand, putting pressure on iron ore and coke prices. With costs decreasing, there's less motivation for steel prices increases. Therefore, we anticipate that policy-driven price surge might have ended, and steel prices will likely experience weak and volatile movements until other driving factors emerge. Well, what's your take on the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye.